Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now. Power off the Vivo and make sure the battery is at least 50%, because interruptions corrupt flash operations. Once done, you press the proper hardware combo, usually volume up plus power or volume down plus power, to boot into recovery mode. Use the exact buttons for your model to avoid normal boot. Make sure a charger is connected while you wait, and keep your Google account name in mind for factory reset protection checks. You navigate the recovery screen using the volume keys for movement and the power key to confirm, because touch isn't active in stock recovery. Next, highlight wipe data or factory reset and confirm. Some Vivo firmware asks for confirmation twice. Follow prompts exactly. If you encounter TWRP, choose Wipe, then Advanced, and select the relevant partitions while avoiding internal storage if you want to keep files on an external card. After confirming, wait for the process to finish before rebooting. You finish by choosing Reboot System Now and be patient. Initial boot can take several minutes while the system rebuilds. If factory reset protection appears, sign in with the Google account that was on the device to unlock it. This is a security feature, so make sure you have those credentials. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, retry wiping cache and data from recovery, and as a last resort, reflash the stock firmware using official tools to restore a clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.